Hey guys, Freddy Tech with CFL-TECH. I'm on the AFTV news site again because we have more Walmart on 4K news. This will be linked down below if you want to check this out. So we have the new on 4K stick. We have the on 4K Pro. So we did a video on that recently on the channel with the leaked images. Now this one is a little more beyond leaked images. We have the leaked image of the box because someone apparently purchased one of these. Now this appears to be in Texas. There was a Reddit user that posted this. They were saying that they purchased the lone box that was mixed in with the older on HD stick models. Now was this intentional by Walmart? There's a possibility to stir up the hype. They knew someone would pick one of these up and more than likely post it on social media. And that's exactly what happened. Now we have the leaked images here of the box. Let's take a look up close. What do we have here? The specs: voice control with Gemini for TV, Google Cast, of course, 4K Ultra HD resolution. Now that of course is the big thing. The first stick with 4K from Walmart's On series here. Dolby Atmos as well. The CPU is a quad-core Cortex A55. The GPU is an ARM Mali G57. Now, 2 gigs of RAM. You're looking at 2 gigs of RAM here with 8 gigs of storage on the minimum side, just to get you going. Can't put too much on this device with that type of storage, but it does have the compact design. It has 4K, Dolby Atmos. So if you just do some basic streaming, this device should work good for most users out there. Of course, your Wi-Fi looks very generic there. 2.4, 5 gigahertz, 802.11 AB, GNAC, MIMO, MIMO. And you have what's in the box, 4K streaming device. Of course you get the device, right? We hope so. You can get a remote control batteries and remote, 2 AAA batteries included. HDMI extender, that's nice. They give you that in case you have a tight spot on the back of your TV in a corner somewhere. AC adapter with cable, of course. Quick start guide is included. So they're saying here increased processing power, Dolby Atmos, and a compact design. Those are the key points right there, highlighted points. And there's the box, 4K streaming. The front of the box includes voice remote, so that's nice to see as well. But that's the box, and good to see that it is very close to being on the shelves. If it was put on the shelves by mistake, intentionally, non-intentional, we don't know. But we know it's in the stock room, apparently, at least one store in Texas. So it should be available in other stores soon, if not already. And that means the website should be seeing this device real soon as well. We checked just a little bit ago before this video recording, and it was not on the website. So hang tight. They should be available soon. So we'll see what happens with the release time on this. But we know it's very close with someone actually getting their hands on one. So very interesting releases of these devices. They don't really make an announcement. They do this time and time again. No exact launch date. You get that leaked image. It's hype. They like it. The fans of these devices like it as well. But when you look at the On 4K stick, it's said to have been purchased for $30. So that's good to know if that's true, which puts it between the recently increased prices of Walmart's 2 budget 4K models, the $24.88 On 4K box and the $39.88 On 4K Plus. It is said to use USB-C port for power. Apologize for the jumping around with these ads on the website. But as you can see, a USB-C port for power and support for Dolby Atmos audio. HDR format support, if any, is unknown, as it's not listed on the box. So there you have that information. So what are your thoughts on this? Will you be picking one of these up if it's around $30? Are you getting the 4K Pro because it has more storage, more RAM? That's more your speed. Let me know down below, but it's always good to see these new devices. We'll probably get our hands on at least one of the two, maybe both, and we'll do a review on these, open the boxes, show you what's inside, all that good stuff, so you don't have to do that. But let us know down below your thoughts on this. Are you excited about this? Have you had any other On devices before, and do you like them? Or maybe you think they're just cheap and you don't like them. You just go straight for the Google products themselves, directly from Google. Let me know down below. If it's your first time here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you know the next video drops on CFL Tech. Also hit that thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. It's also greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more news on the devices that are coming out and also for everything else streaming on the CFL Tech channel. Thank you for watching. Freddy Tech checking out this one. Soon to be back with another. Take care.